Carpet's definitely gonna have to come up.
Yeah, carpet always has to come out. You never get it right. Now, contents like clothes and everything else, we can clean those to an extent. Same thing with furniture. If it gets some smoke, we can clean it. We have the necessary stuff to clean it.
So y'all clean clothes and furniture?
We clean clothes, furniture. We clean everything. We clean clothes, furniture, jewelry, plates, dishes, light fixtures, lamps. We have the ability to clean it all. We're selective on what we can and can't clean because depending on the level of smoke or depending on the type of fire it was, it may not be salvageable, or it just because of the smoke can be toxic based on what burned, how it started, the materials that burned, and at that point it's better to just replace the items than try to salvage them.